Johnson here with elementaryschoolassemblies.com, Cris Johnson's Amazing School Assemblies. I want to thank you for visiting me on my website. This particular program is called Yes, I Can. It's a character education program, and like all of my programs, this program features big colorful backdrops, banners designed to make this a theatrical experience for the kids. There's a lot of magic and fun during the program to help reinforce my concepts. It's not a magic show, but we use magic during the program to help the kids remember what I'm talking about during the program, help reinforce the lessons long after I'm gone, and help captivate the attention of the kids and guarantee that this program will be the assembly highlight of your entire year. All of my 12 different assembly programs, the Yes I Can program features a large colorful backdrop reinforcing the concepts of the program, side banners to reinforce the concepts of the program, and make this a true theatrical experience for your kids. Check out some clips now from Yes I Can.
When you do that, when you say a lot of compliments, it starts to happen automatically. They just start coming out of you automatically. It actually worked. Check it out. You're the star. Look right through there. I'm ready for Let me explain how this game works. I have back here, we're going to have a contest. We're going to make a strength contest to see who is stronger. Wait a minute. Hang on a second. I see what you guys are doing. You guys are looking at the little girl. You guys are looking at the big strong dude. And you're making assumptions. You're already judging somebody by how they look. It is dangerous to judge somebody by how they look. I'm going to show you how sometimes things are not what they seem. I've got here this green hanky, and I've got here this box, this cardboard box. Now what's going to happen is this. I'm going to hypnotize, not really, but I'm going to hypnotize Jack to believe that this green hanky weighs 1 million pounds. He's going to think it's so heavy, he's not going to be able to lift this great big heavy box. But you, my dear, are going to be able to lift up the heavy box. What's going to happen? I'm going to sweetie. Over here. Up the ladder, one step. Up the ladder, you step right here. There you go. Now lift up that box by your sides. Lift it up, lift it up. Lift it up, lift it up, lift it up. Lift it up, and she did it! Lift up that box, lift it up, lift it up. Straight up, straight up. Okay, you get back down, buddy, get back down. Because this magic picture frame is made out of magic wands. And when I say it lets me see your inner character, I'm talking about the way you act. Not your clothes, not your hair, not your feet, but how you act. That reveals your character. Let's say you're walking down the hallway in your school and you see a brand new student and they look really lost. And you help the person find their way. You're showing good character. Or let's say you see another student in the hallway and they drop his or her books, and you help that person pick up their books. Well, you're showing good character. You're showing yourself to be a person who is caring. And once you show